Hi, I have run out of money and I will go further into financial hardship, but I need to feed the cats till I can. I have cut down on the quality of food I eat, but I'm making sure that the cats are well fed. But I want no wastage, and Cuddly is taking the lion's share. I have calculated that Cuddly is eating 5 kilos of cat food in a month. But as Cuddly is nursing two very feeble kittens, one of each are blind in each eye, she needs to eat a lot so that she can supply nutritious milk to them. And we give them a weaning supplement too. After that, they have improved. And a big thank you to the vet at हाँ ठीक है कल 7 बजे आ जाइए हाँ जैसा आ जाइए. Sorry, I was talking to the lady who comes to clean and cook in the morning, and my Hindi is not good. Oh, where was I? Yeah, thanks to the vet at Progressive Pet Clinic who treated the cats for ticks. Cuddly doesn't have any tick anymore, nor do the kittens. His medicine was amazingly good, and we dewormed them at all. And the girl who helps me, she says the kittens are quite strong now. The problem is the eyesight. So I may get a little fund to treat them immediately. And after that, I want to put up the kittens for adoption in a very, very good home who will be able to bear the costs of their treatment, give them good nutrition. Right now, I am not equipped to take care of them because my financial condition isn't too strong. My mental health isn't the best. And there are certain other reasons which I can't disclose. So when you keep a pet inside your house, things must be so that it's the best home for a pet. But later in life, if I have more money and a different building to live in, hopefully in Kolkata, actually in Kolkata, I would love to keep a home indoor pet, but only if I feel that my mental health is good enough and I have enough money, I have the time and energy and support to take care of them. Yes, so where was I? I said that I will, I'm forgetting. Yeah. I'm trying out various kinds of cat food. And I've ordered a lot of cat food. And it cost, I would say, because my mother is seeing the video and she'll get very angry when she hears the cost. But anyway, that's needed because, some cats have a big appetite and they can't be unfed. I am also ensuring that the other cats get to eat, and Cuddly doesn't eat the whole amount, but Cuddly is fed. And Cuddly is very choosy. There's only certain types of cat food that she will like. And The vet at Progressive Pet Clinic said it's very important to spay Cuddly if Cuddly remains in our building and also doesn't remain in our building. About spaying, I don't know how I raise the money. I'm trying. I'm trying to raise the money. And I'm not sure about this, but Cuddly can have a problem of giving birth to genetically blind kittens. That is a possibility, but I'm not sure about it. And there are quite a few cats out here. Yeah, anyway, right now I will buy when different types of cat food will be ordered, I'm going to review each and every cat food according to how the cats eat. And the manufacturers shouldn't take it personally if the cat didn't eat it well, because every cat has different kinds of taste buds. I know that Cuddly is quite pricey, and Cuddly knows that if she cuddles me, I will be extra affectionate towards her. But Cuddly, now I will be strict but loving with you nevertheless.